check. Is everybody comfortable with English on here? Yes? No? Yes? Okay, so we're going to split you up in two different groups so we can all have a better experience. If you're traveling with somebody, make sure you stay together because right? Alright, so the route that we're going to do right now in the morning, we call it the Santiago offbeat. The first thing that you need to know in order to understand this route a little bit better is that here in Chile, and in Santiago more in specific, we have a very classy valley society. You know, there's a lot of inequalities around here. And the thing is that all of these class divisions are usually very clearly seen throughout the city. So actually, it happens to a lot of people that come here to Santiago for the first time that they only come to see the pretty areas of the city. Like the Fine Arts Museum over here, the Forestal, the skyscrapers over here. And they think that that's the way that the whole city looks like. Of course, it's not true. We're in South America, right? So there's another very big part of the city that's maybe a little bit messier, a little bit noisier, maybe a little bit dirtier too. I want you guys to tell me, what do you know Chile for? I want to say Chile was Sanchez, right? Well, good point. A football player, right? We got Alexis Sanchez, Vidal, Bravo. What else besides football? A lot of fruit, right? We're gonna see a lot of that today, which is most of what you're gonna see today, actually. You know, agriculture is the second largest industry here in the country. The first one is the mining of copper, by the way. What else? Pisco, right? No, Pisco is actually kind of Peruvian too. I don't know where it's from, but there's like a farmer over there, but you can find it here too. So great pisco sour, right? And we got wine too, probably some big wine. Yeah. That's why you should think that. Yeah. Okay, so what else? We got some writers, you know, Pablo Neruda, Gabriela Mistral, both of them were poets, Nobel Prize winners. With what else? Landscapes, right? We got Patagonia in the south, desert in the north, a lot of contrast, a lot of mountains too. And we got earthquakes. Know that? Right now you're standing in one of the most seismically active countries in the world. Actually here in Chile we have 5 of the 25 largest earthquakes ever recorded in the history of the planet, including the largest one. Now that one was in the year 1960 in the city of Valdivia, which is about some 700 kilometers to the south from here. And that earthquake was at 9.5 degrees in scale of Richter. It was pretty huge. That scale only goes up until 10, so I guess you can imagine how massive it was. Things like here in Chile, we usually supposedly have 2 to 3 tremors happening every day somewhere along the country. But we don't get to feel them very much. Because, you know, Chile is a long country. It's about 4,000 kilometers long, so they happen in different places. They're not very strong most of the times, and we are used to them. So for us, if it's more like a 6 or 7 degrees, we don't really get to take them very seriously. But they say that you should expect one big earthquake once every 10 years or so. Do you know when was the last one?